Racing just is started. We have Royal G. Break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside. High voltage. Chasing a dream is running by the rail while Magnolia's Classic is the early trailer by about 4 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Royal G by about 3/4 of a length lead. High voltage in second. Then on the outside, Racing what is chasing a dream. And then on the inside is Magnolia's Classic. And as they swing down the back, we have Royal G by about 2 lengths. And in second is High Voltage. Magnolia's Classic is racing in third, while Chasing a Dream still racing in fourth. Back to the leader, we have Royal G maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. High Voltage still in second. Chasing a Dream now moving up to take third, while Magnolia's Classic now racing in less. And at the part turn, we have Royal G by our length and a half. High Voltage now about to throw the challenge on the outside. 8 lengths further back in third, Chasing a Dream, while Magnolia's Classic is still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have High Voltage now takes command by about 3 lengths. Dropping back in second is Royal G with about 100 meters of the race. We have High Voltage now racing away, and finally it's High Voltage. Second is Royal G, Chasing a Dream, and Magnolia's Classic.